economic development whereby we could build inclusive economic growth for everyone. In the context, in order to build that, what it means to India. India, we all have to reinvent ourselves, rediscover itself in terms of the innovation, in terms of the investment, in terms of the skills development, and more importantly, leveraging the skills, competencies, needs, demands, as well as the resources of every part of the country, every length and breadth of the, entire the length and breadth of the country. It is then only we can build an inclusive economy that actually makes most of the people in India, including the poor people, including the poor, underserved people, as co-creators of the economy, and entrepreneurship is a way to achieve that. This is a monumental task, and this requires significant collaborative efforts between the government, between the academia, between the industry, and between the education institutions and research institutions and the public at large. And is not really, the task is not really limited to either the government or the educational institutions. And it is the collaborative effort that actually helps bringing the inclusive growth and then also equitable growth in India. And this event, ISB Connect, is an attempt to bring everybody together to facilitate collaborative efforts. ISB on its own part is creating various programs in the area of research and outreach, as well as the action initiatives to promote the entrepreneurship. In this particular event, we have several noteworthy highlights. Number one, this morning the Jumpstart workshop was attended by more than 300 aspiring entrepreneurs. The Velocity, the business plan competition, there are many people with excellent ideas, with excellent value addition ventures. They were reviewed by venture capitalists, and some of them will be actually recognized today. Now, ISB on its own part is a facilitator for the collaborative efforts, and it is that collaborative effort that actually makes India prosperous, bringing the equitable growth across the country, not limiting to just GDP growth. And with these few comments, I would like to once again welcome all of you to this event, and I hope you will enjoy, and more importantly, you will give the right feedback to all of us to take this collective journey. Thank you.